everybody, welcome to Mishtis Canvas. Today I'm back in my kitchen. So today I won't show you, I won't say it's a special recipe or anything. I will show you very simple things. So I bought this this is an Instapot. This is from Insignia. So we just brought it before the New Year. So I want to try more recipes in this, so I just thought to share with y'all. And this is a very simple recipe, everyone knows it, and that is lemon rice. So there is nobody who doesn't know lemon rice, but still I'm going to share this recipe. I'm going to do it in my own style. So maybe some other ingredients I won't add, or some I will add as I will do my own. So I will start it. So first I will plug it on and I will show you. So before starting that, I will just show you what are the ingredients I've taken for that. So this is fresh curry leaves, lemon, these are dried red chilies, ginger grated. This is chana dal, little bit I've taken, maybe 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon. This is urad dal, splitted urad dal, and these are few roasted peanuts, and this is black mustard seeds. And this is basmati rice that I have soaked it. I have taken 2 cups, so I have soaked it for 25 to 30 minutes. That's it, and it's a very simple recipe, you all know. Plug in this one. So I have switched it on. This is the saute mode, and you can see here, and it has started after the beeping sound. So first I will add some mustard seeds. So this is the first time, so I've added oil. So this is the first time I'm doing lemon rice here, or any sort of rice recipes. So after adding the oil, I started giving this mustard seeds. Let it split. Let the oil get hot. Let the mustard seeds. So I will stir for a little while. So I've taken a wooden spatula. So it is becoming hot slowly. I can feel the warmth. Now at this point I will add this curry leaves, and also this dried red chilies, and I will keep on stirring it. If you hear properly, you can hear the sound. So it has become hot. At this point I will add a little bit of ginger, grated ginger, then the chana dal, I don't want my curry leaves to burn, so that's why I'm constantly stirring it. And then I'm adding the urad dal too. So just to show y'all, you can see it is still left, and it will take few time to get a little bit of golden color. And then after that I will add turmeric powder, salt, and then add the rice and water according to the measurement, and then I will just close the lid. So stay with me to watch the full recipe. As you can see, now it has started making that splurring sound. So now I will add the turmeric powder. I have added 2 teaspoons because I like that yellow color. And then I will add the rice also. So this is a soaked rice. So these rices are sticked here, so it's not coming out, but I will add water and I will then add it later. And now I will add salt. So salt I'm adding this much, you can see. So I have kept some, but if needed then only I will add. So that's all. That's what the ingredients are. And lemon I will add after the rice is prepared. So at this point I'm gonna cancel. You can see here I'm gonna cancel this saute mode, and then I'm gonna cover the vent and give it a normal way to normal time to prepare that rice. So I have added water. I have given here more than 2 cups, almost 2.5 or 3 like that, and the rest of the sticked rice that was here, you have seen the soaked rice, I have added there also. And at this point now I will close the vent
and give some time to prepare.
So you can see now it is in the sealing position. So this one is important. So this is the venting side and this is the sealing side. So I have kept it in the sealing side and I have closed the lid also.
And it will take its own time to set, and then there will be a beeping sound, and after that it will set according to the time it wants to make. So this is for rice, and it will take maybe 13 or 14 minutes. So as you can see, it's showing here 14 minutes, and will show you after 14 minutes. Still I need to add some more ingredients. So now it is showing 13, as you can see. So ingredients I need to add are roasted peanuts and lemon juice, so which I will add later after the rice is cooked. And now it is showing 1 minute more. Now it is set C, so I will wait for that. 14 minutes later,
as you can see, I've added the roasted peanuts. I will mix it well, and since I have a little cut on my hand, so Babu is helping me with the lemon juice. So he's gonna spread the lemon juice. Okay, so add that one also. Okay, so now I will stir it properly, and I'm going to check it out if everything is okay or not. I will stir it properly, and then after that, if it's required, then I will add a little bit of lemon juice, more lemon juice. So this one is the final result. As you can see, lemon rice. I think it looks yummy, and we're gonna test it. So hope you like this recipe. Though this is a very simple recipe, everyone knows that just because I've used this instantpot, that's why I showed you all this recipe. And with that, I'm going to also share another recipe. So stay tuned with me. So as I told you, I will be making another recipe. So this is again a simple recipe. It's a salmon steak. So as you can see here, I have marinated it for at least more than 1 to 2 hours, and I have given so these are also simple ingredients. So I've given garlic paste, oil, salt. This is onion powder. If you wish to give, you can give, or you can skip. Paprika, I have given paprika, hot red chili powder, then parsley flakes. This is also, if you wish to add, you can add, or if you want to skip, you can skip. This is black pepper, and that's it. That's what I have added. I have not added turmeric because I would like to make this fish in this way. So this is a very simple recipe. Again, I'm going to turn on the heat, and this is the pan. So I will just make it a pan fry kind of. So I have added a very less oil, you can see, because I have already when I marinated it, I already added oil that time. So I have used canola oil, but you can use any other oil, but better don't use mustard oil. Canola or any other white oil will be better. So at this point, I'm now adding the entire fish steak. So I've given the fish steak and whatever the remaining marinated spices are there, I'm gonna add with this, because oil is also there. I don't want to waste these things. Now the flame is high, so I'm not going to change it or flip it. I'm going to give some time so that it turns brown, the skin portion, and slowly it will peel off. So you can see now it has turned a little bit of golden brown color, and these black things, what you can see, these are all the spices. So it will take a little bit more of time, and then finally I will show you how it turns. And now you can see I have garnished it with cilantro or coriander leaves. These are cherry tomatoes, lemon slices, onion slices, and this is the final salmon fillet that I prepared. So this is the dish. So we are going to enjoy it with a little bit of salad and some sandwiches. So let me know if you like this recipe, and please comment. As I told you earlier also, I love to see the comments, and stay tuned for my new upcoming vlogs. Thank you. Thanks for watching.